Welcome to another video. Today we'll focus on payment integration, on how to set currency in your form dynamically. So currently this is supported for Stripe and Tranzilla, both of those. So if I was to quickly show you which one this is supported for, I'll show you, then I'll do a full demonstration. It's supported for Stripe and it's supported for Tranzilla. And it's this feature here, dynamic currency. So I'll show you how this works and then we'll go from there. Let's say I wanted to create full name, and we will do email, and finally we will do a submit button. Alright, now let's pretend I'm pushing this data to Salesforce. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and set ourselves a push to create a contact, and then we'll map our fields. We'll say last name goes to last name, first name goes to first name, email goes to email, like this. And then I'm going to enable my payment integration. Finish like that. Now what I'm going to do is set up my payment integration first. So what I will do is go over to enable payment. I've enabled it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set a base price. So let's say that's 100 whatever currency you choose. By default you have to choose a currency to start off with, so let's go ahead and do that. Next up, I'm going to use this for Stripe, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my payments, my Stripe secret and public key. Once the public key has been added, what you want to do is, this is just one example by the way, so let's say I get a drop down and we call this one currency. And then we give it three choices: GBP, USD, and we'll do in New Zealand dollars, NZD I believe. Okay, and then what's going to use that parameter is this hidden field here. So this hidden field, we'll call it currency param, and then we'll say take value from FLD160. And then we'll say take value from FLD160, and I'm going to expand this so you kind of get to see what's going on behind the scenes. Alright, so back over here I've configured my my public and secret key. Now I just have to do is set my variables. So here I'm just going to set that for email, and that's all I have to do. Now here's the feature, dynamic currency. This is where you would choose your hidden field, not your drop down, but your hidden field, currency param, like that. And then you're pretty much good to go. So if I click save, click preview. So first of all, I'll go and enter some stuff here. I'll say test John. We know the base price is 100. Test at, I don't know, gbp.com. So in here, I'll say GBP. Notice the hidden field now has GBP. If I click submit, and the problem is that I didn't assign the submit button to this. Let's go ahead and do that. So, well, there you go. Must be a submit button. So let's try again. Test John. Test at gbp.com. Go ahead and select GBP. GBP is there. Click submit. It's going to submit the form you see. Now there is GBP, okay? So that's dynamically pulled in. Let me show you again. So let's close this and refresh this form. We'll do another test here. Let's do test USD, test at usd.com, and here I'm going to choose USD. And if I click submit, you can see it's now USD. That's how we're setting the currency dynamically in here, using that drop down but passing the value from that hidden field. Now let's do test NZD, New Zealand dollars, test at nzd.com. And here I would choose New Zealand dollars, click submit, and it's 100 New Zealand dollars. So that's how you do it. That's how you set the dynamic currency. And this literally works for payment integration, but two types only. It's Tranzilla and Stripe. So in Stripe you do the same thing, and then Tranzilla, once you've set everything up, you do literally the same thing. You map your currency parameter, and you're good to go. And yeah, that's how you do it.